Hey guys, welcome back to Minecraft. Sometimes I get a little messed up. There's my gold. Okay. I'm getting a little mixed up because I'm holding my tablet too. Okay. That's my armor. And I have 4 hearts down. I'm so hungry, I'm starving to death. Alright. So guys, that's it for today. And take the picture. It's on video.